This afternoon, we are tracking Tropical Storm Gordon. It's an area of low pressure that formed over the weekend, something that we were talking about on Friday. The good news is impacts here in the Wiregrass are going to be minimal, but the storm is going to be coming dangerously close to us. We're already under the influence of it with the circulation, with showers and storms moving through the area. But here's the center of circulation right now, moving off the southwest Florida coast. It was a little bit better organized earlier in the day. You can see the darker colors around the center, and that's because the waters there are very warm and very shallow. Winds throughout the day have increased a bit as it has been moving off the coast, now sustained at 50 miles per hour as it is moving off to the west-northwest at 60 miles per hour. So that's a pretty good clip, and as it does make its way into the central Gulf of Mexico, it does have a pretty good chance of becoming a little bit stronger, maybe even a minimum hurricane before it gets toward the Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana coast. Tuesday, 7 o'clock in the evening, it should be just to the south of Mobile, if not right on top of them. The Wiregrass is not included in the cone for the forecast, as this is moving in the direction of the southeastern United States. And then as we head into the weekend, it is going to be making its way into the midsection of the country as a tropical depression, 25-mile-per-hour sustained winds. And before that, it could be a little bit stronger than what the Hurricane Center is forecasting at the moment. We'll have another update coming up soon, just in time for WDHN News at 5 o'clock. But the main event, as far as this as it does move through, is the potential for some periods of some pretty heavy rain. Anywhere between a half to an inch of rain, if not even more, out of some of those stronger storms that move through, and the stronger storms that do move through do have the chance of producing some gusty winds at times. So again, here's the bottom line: a minimal impact directly from the storm in the Wiregrass. We will have periods of heavy rain. 1 to 2 inches of rain will be expected from this, and we will have some breezy conditions at time, but I don't think we're going to be getting into a situation where we have sustained tropical storm force winds here in the Dothan, Enterprise, or Ozark areas. And the greatest impact is going to be along the Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana coastline. So southwestern Alabama has to watch out for this. So here's Gordon right now. The other system that you might be hearing about is Tropical Storm Florence in the central Atlantic. That's not a concern for us, and there's also a storm behind that does have a potential to develop. It's a tropical storm right now as far as Florence, 65-mile-per-hour sustained winds, and the only threat for impact on this may be Bermuda. It's almost making a beeline for their Saturday, 65-mile-per-hour sustained winds, but staying well out of our area. We'll have more on the tropics coming up on WDHN News at 5 and 6, and also DothanFirst.com.